Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Martín Migoya. He is chairman, CEO, and co-founder at Globant. Martin, it is wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you so much, Judy. It's really great. Thank you.
Well, it's
such a very important date for us.
It is a very special day for you. So, in 2003, 20 years ago, you walked into a bar with three of your friends in Buenos Aires, and you founded Globant. And you've replicated it outside, right in front of the New York Stock Exchange.
That's absolutely right. I mean, there were many occasions, not just one, but many occasions at the same bar. And we're replicating the bar today. It's really amazing to see, not even that day, not even when we did the IPO here in the New York Stock Exchange, we thought about what we were able to achieve. And we always think big. We always think in a global way, but achieving what we achieved today and how far the company has gone. And the fact also that we're just scratching the surface of what we can do is really unbelievable. So we are very happy.
So it is the 20th anniversary and you're ringing the closing bell today to celebrate that. Tell me, where does the company stand today?
Well, today Globant, I think, is one of those companies that is reinventing the space of the software product creation and software development worldwide. I believe that Globant is one-in-a-kind company with many things that makes Globant unique, from how we are organized to how we use AI, to how we package our knowledge into our studios. Everything we do is different, and I think our customers really appreciate that and really see the difference comparing to our competitors. When we're doing projects for them. So I think Globant today is on we have around 30,000 people in 30 countries, operating with global scale, with some of the most amazing brands in the planet. Disney is our customer, but also Google, Electronic Arts, LinkedIn, and many others. So we work for some of the most amazing brands, creating products that really make a change and make a difference for their consumers.
And after 20 years, what have you learned in the industry?
Well, we learned many things. And the main thing is that the industry needed a reinvention. The industry needed something in the same way that happened in the automotive space with Tesla, or it happened in the aerospace with SpaceX. In the same way, the industry needed a reinvention on the software product creation, on the professional technology services space. And Globant is that. And we have been trying to execute that vision since the very beginning of the company 20 years ago. I would say 20 years later, we learned that it was so much needed. What we do is so much needed. So we're extremely happy to be able to be one of those instances of reinvention of the industry.
And what would you say is the key to the company's success?
Well, the key to company success, number one, is our culture and how Globant is, how transparent it is, how welcoming it is to new entrepreneurs coming from the outside, how we connect with our customers in a totally different manner, how we use AI for our internal processes since many years ago. I know AI right now is a fashionable term, but we have been using AI for many years. I think Globant is different because we are thinking on a decentralized organization that really makes the things happen, not just like a huge pyramidal organization like pretty much everybody in the space, but we are thinking about an inverted pyramid in which our cells, our pods, which are on the top, are really making the difference for our customers, and it's really part of our culture. So with all those things, we're able to create much better projects, much better consumer experiences, much better technology for all of our customers.
All right, now 2024 is right around the corner. Tell me, what do you see in terms of innovation?
Well, we are very lucky. And I would say that technology is always surprising us. Technology is always changing the way we can do things. 2024 won't be an exception to that. We have seen during 2023 the rise of generative AI and everything that is connected to using AI pretty much everywhere. Although during 2023, the projects has been very exploratory in the space, we will start to see projects that are much deeper and with much larger scale on that space, on the AI space, during 2024. And innovation will keep on happening. It's difficult to predict which are the things that will surprise us next year. But yes, I can say and I can tell that making a similar situation, a comparison to other movements that we have lived in the past, it's pretty clear that AI will be that space moving forward. And still we are scratching the surface of what can be done. So I believe that companies still need to embrace it more. Companies still need to understand how to affect business processes using that technology. And we still need to figure out which things we can do, which things we should not do, right? Which is a big discussion these days. So there's a lot of things happening, and I would say that 2024 will be an amazing year, one more amazing year in terms of innovations and things that will happen.
All right. Well, congratulations again on the anniversary of Globant.
Thank you so much, Judy.
Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk, Martin.
You're very welcome. Thank you.